Wildfires cause highway closures in Southern California today. The fire closed California Route 5 and authorities said the blaze was not contained until 6:30 a.m. There were more than 1,100 ground-to-ground lightning strikes in California between Thursday evening and Friday morning. Fire officials said the lightning strikes had ignited at least 17 fires. Fire officials said rainy, dry vegetation will cool the flames for a day or two, which firefighters hope to use to strengthen and widen fire lines in an effort to finally surround the blaze. The National Weather Service said there were more than 1,100 ground-to-ground lightning strikes in California between Thursday evening and Friday morning. Fire officials said lightning strikes ignited at least 17 fires. Firefighters were diverted from the huge Calder fire south of Lake Tahoe to fight multiple overnight lightning fires throughout El Dorado County, fire officials said. However, most of the blazes were kept to under 10 acres,